welcome to Old School Biker Magazine. Today we're going to be visiting with our friend Eric Sweet, who installs the Sweet Easy Steer system on motorcycle sidecar rigs. Here he is working on Sidecar Steve's bike right now, and basically what the system does is let you make some adjustments to straighten out your bike when you're on an uneven road so you don't have to fight it. He's going to explain it himself right now. He's telling Sidecar Steve about it.
You won't notice it. In the past, when like you're going through Missouri and the road's crowned, and you were pushing for 150 miles, you could actuate up and you don't push. But what'll happen is you won't notice it. Yeah, that's close. Okay, stopper. Wee.
You get on there real easy. You get on there easier than I do. God damn it.
I just got to wiggle around a little bit. This is my first ride.
Did y'all hear that? This is his first ride since the accident. Eric and his lady friend were out riding not too long ago, and a hit and run driver took them out, and Eric lost the lower part of his left leg. There's the whole crew from today.
Now we're going for a test drive.
Yeah, I had it in second.
Well, how'd it ride?
Good. Unbelievable.
Yeah, that Sweet Easy Steer makes all the difference in the world.
Said, bye!
Alright, y'all. Keep it rubber side down. We'll catch you next
And he's
time.
off.